Hi everyone, I'm Investor Josh. For those of you new to the channel, I'm investing in stocks for about 13 years very successfully, and I first bought Bitcoin in 2014, and since then have also invested successfully in the cryptocurrency space. Together, I bring you these two pieces of knowledge with investment knowledge, and I do update every single day. I do daily content. I try and give you what I consider some of the best stocks and best cryptocurrencies we can buy out there in the market right now. No fuss, no spin, no rubbish. I just bring it to you what I think is good, what I'm personally invested in, and I bring out there the information for you, and hopefully you can take something from that. Obviously, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. But today I'm going to talk to you about some coins, and one coin in particular, which I also touched on in yesterday's video, that I think will outperform Bitcoin this month percentage wise. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, please hit the bell for all notifications, and I'm bringing you daily content every single day. I want to hopefully blow this channel up in a positive manner, make it really big, um, and we can all grow, hopefully wealthy together, have some money for ourselves, help loved ones, help family, and do some positive things to make some good change in the world. Let's go into the charts, have a look at this one coin I want to talk to you about today in particular, and touch on some other coins as well. Moving on over to coin market cap, we have the big boy Bitcoin. He's up nearly 0.5%, 0.40% today, 6.15 for the 7 day period. Ethereum's up very nicely, 9%, coming back up from the down it had. We're moving to Tether's back in third spot. Cardano's fell to fourth spot. I still very bullish on Cardano. Good things is down. So listen, guys, it's down for the 7 day period. If you're not invested in Cardano at $1.13, maybe you should be thinking that, or reconsidering your options right there. Binance Coin up 0.62%. Polkadot's down and only up 0.31%. So that's something you could consider also. XRP, a bit tentative around that. Uniswap is moved quite quickly. It's doing good things. I don't think it's going to be the answer for Ethereum along with Binance Coin. I think Ethereum is going to start surging again once they get those gas fees sorted out later in the year. And Litecoin is the one I want to talk to you guys about today. Now, I think this is an underperforming coin. Litecoin, I think it will outperform Bitcoin percentage-wise this month. And we are looking at it here as 184 US dollars, up 1.74% for the day, 6.85% for the week. I really do think this is underperforming. A couple of things that are happening this month, which I think are going to give it a big boost. We've got the PayPal crypto merchant payments. Litecoin's the cheapest option on PayPal. So many people, now that you will be able to use it on PayPal coming this month, many people will go into PayPal, specifically people who aren't already part of the crypto scene, but then don't want to go and buy a Bitcoin or a percentage of a Bitcoin, like a 0.1% or a 0.2% of a Bitcoin. They'd much prefer to gather a full coin if they can, and it's much more achievable at $184 currently, or multiple full coins. They might buy 5 full Litecoins. So using this method through PayPal, I think this could be some big news for it. I think it will move the price. I really do when this kicks in to effect. So once again, that's PayPal crypto merchant payments. Litecoin is the cheapest option on PayPal, and this is coming in March. Okay, the crypto merchant payments. Okay, that's very important. Also for Litecoin, privacy features coming to Litecoin. You got the testnet coming in March also. So that's big. So once again, the privacy features coming to Litecoin. The testnet is coming in March. All right. So that's a couple of pieces of big news. I think will very much so move the market in that specific area being Litecoin. So I am bullish on Litecoin. I don't have it on my Binance account, but on my stock account, which is looking at rubbish right now, um, I do have a small amount of crypto on eToro, which is where I hold some of my stocks. I do feel like um, I do feel like Binance is my preferred place to hold my coins, if I'm honest with you. But as I said, I do hold Litecoin on eToro, and it's something you might want to consider. Obviously, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. I also want to come back up here and have a quick touch on Cardano ADA. Um, I once again, I think it's a great buying option right here. If you haven't already bought into it, I do feel strongly about it hitting $2 and potentially higher. And there's a little bit of speculation. If you didn't know, Coinbase and Coinbase Pro are going down tomorrow for 90 minutes for scheduled upgrades. So there's speculation that ADA could be the reason why. They could be putting on the listing tomorrow, causing the site to go into scheduled maintenance for 90 minutes. If that did happen, if that happened, you would see a big run up to $2 or close to $2. I strongly believe that. And that was the speculation that earlier in February as well, that ADA was going to get put on Coinbase. So that's some massive news for both Cardano, which could be great, and for Litecoin. Go over to CoinGecko. We got a bit of Litecoin. Look, let's check out how it's gone in the previous month. As I said, I think it has been underperforming. 83% feel good about it. So 1 year, we're looking at nearly 200% for the year. For the past 30 days, we're looking at 27.7%. Now, with those two things happening in regards to privacy features and PayPal, I think we could easily see it run up much higher than that 27% for the rest of the month. I think we can see, uh, I don't know, maybe 50%. Much bigger numbers than 27.7%, that's for sure. I think it's going to be a great month for our Litecoin. It is underperforming currently, and that's when you don't want to buy cryptos. You want to try avoiding FOMOing in. Fear of missing out, FOMOing. You want to avoid that. You want to buy when it's flying under the radar, when other people aren't really considering it. Everyone's talking about Cardano currently, that's in its focus. People are jumping on Ethereum, which is a good thing to jump on as well. It's at lower prices than it has been in the previous months or previous weeks. There's other things that are taking a lot of noobs are focused on Dogecoin. You know, there's a lot of things out there that people are uh, not necessarily sucked into, but they're focused on other things. So then the focus gets taken away from these other things, such as Litecoin. So that's a couple of reasons why I think Litecoin is going to be big this month. So that's one of the big players from the top 10 that I think is going to do really good things this month. I think it's underperforming, as I said. It's going to make some big moves. It's got a few pieces of big news and big events happening around it. I think that's going to really bump up the price. So unless a big company like an Apple or something like that comes along and announces they've bought a bunch of Bitcoin, I do think that Litecoin will outperform Bitcoin percentage-wise this month for sure. And that's why I'm personally invested in it. I'm invested in it I told you, over in eToro, where I keep most of my terribly performing stocks currently. Um, but the stock market's turning. I feel like it's turned around. It was about to turn around, and we're going to see the upside to that again. So it's also potentially a good time to be buying some stocks. Maybe looking into some Tesla or some Apple or something like that. Apple's down a good percentage. It's I think it's a good long term hold right there. There's a stock tip right there for you. So Litecoin's the big player in the top 10. I feel for this month, it's going to do good things along with Cardano. Um, yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Go down below, go hit that subscribe button. Please hit the bell for notifications. Give us a thumbs up if you like this content. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will buy a high quality camera, a high quality microphone, and a lighting setup to dramatically improve these videos. Right now, we're getting a few subscribers every day, and I'm very thankful for everyone that's subscribed. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. We'll go to 1K. I'll make this setup tremendous, and we'll do this continuously every single day, daily content, the best crypto and stock tips that I'm personally invested in. And as I said, I've been pretty successful with my stock trading since 2013, and successful since I've bought into cryptocurrency from 2014. So please come along with me, subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you back all tomorrow with more daily content. Cheers.